Today is the third class in the work for energy. So in the first class, we completed the definition of work as work done is equal to force dot S. In the second class, we completed work done is equal to force Fs cos theta. The universal formula as force acts in any angle with the displacement direction. First one is force acts only in the direction of the displacement, and second case, here force acts in any angle less than 90 degree with the displacement. Now, actually we told that work done is a scalar quantity, so it is given by the dot product. So now it's a dimensional formula. Dimensional formula is M1 L2 T minus 2. How it gets? We know that work done is equal to force dot S, and force is equal to mass into acceleration into S we can write. So mass, write as mass into acceleration is equal to velocity by time into displacement we write as length, and this will be mass into velocity is equal to displacement by time, that is L by T, and one more T is here, that this is a V and this is a V by T into L. Now this will come as m to the power 1 and L to the 2, and T is minus 2 down. T minus 2, and this can be write as M1 L2 T to the power minus 2. This is a dimensional formula. And now it's the units. We know that work done is equal to force into displacement. Product of force into displacement. Now, force is the mass into acceleration into displacement. Mass is equal to, mass unit is kg, acceleration unit is meter per second square, into distance unit is meter. For this we can write as kg meter square distance minus 2. This is from this. Mass unit kg, length unit distance square, time unit second. And this we can write in direct also as force into distance. Force unit is Newton and distance unit is meter. So it will come as Newton meter. Newton meter is the SI unit of work done. This is the SI unit. And what about this smaller unit, CGS unit? CGS unit is equal to Newton, smaller unit is dyne, and meter, smaller unit, CGS unit is centimeter. Dyne centimeter is the CGS unit. So how many dyne centimeter is equal to 1 Newton meter? Let us see. Conversion. Newton meter. Newton is equal to how many dynes? 10 to the power 5 dynes. And a meter is equal to how many centimeter? 10 to the power 2 centimeter. So this both you will write as 10 for the 5 into 10 to the power 2 is equal to 10 to the power 5. The powers will multiply dyne centimeter, and this will give us 10 to the power 7 dyne centimeter is equal to 1 Newton meter. So this is the conversion.